Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to set up the Starlink app on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone, open the App Store, search for Starlink and download the app. Once installed, tap the Starlink app, open it. The app will ask for permission, tap allow for location and camera. This helps the app find the best setup location. Now choose sign in if you already have an account. If not, tap create account, enter your email and password and follow the steps. Next, go to your iPhone Wi-Fi settings, connect to the Starlink Wi-Fi network, then return to the Starlink app. In the app, tap start setup, follow the on-screen instruction to finish setting up. The app will guide you automatically. When you see online, your app setup is complete. You are now ready to use Starlink on your iPhone. And that's it, you have successfully set up the Starlink app on your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.